Oh, yes, it clicked it. Why is it so much fun? I don't understand. I genuinely don't understand why, but I love to see this. As a kid, I wanted to have a computer friend, and I never thought that I will have one. Hi there, welcome. Are you a software developer or a DevOps engineer or someone who cares about macOS, iOS? Uh, this may interest you. A quick intro. Bitrise is a mobile DevOps platform, primarily CI for iOS and Android apps, and we built a macOS cloud that we can scale. It was primarily built for running CI jobs, but we can kind of run anything on it. So we have a lot of Mac minis we can run VMs on, virtual machines. And what we built is we extended basically our API, our existing API, to start and stop VMs. So you can run commands remotely. The input and the output is streamed up and down from your laptop and into the VM, and we can also upload and download files with this implementation, with these APIs, and also implemented computer use. So you can open a VNC and click, scroll, type, all these things, and we package this together in an MCP server, so you don't have to create the client-side implementation. You can just basically hand it over to an LLM and ask things that you want to do. So I'm going to showcase this to you, and you can absolutely try exactly the same right now. You just need a free Bitrise account. Until the end of the year, we will keep this open as a holiday gift for everyone. Let's nerd out on something. So I'm quite excited to show it to you. Let's dive into it. So here we go. This is already set up. Let's see. Please create a VM on Bitrise and open a VNC into it. T. Okay, so now opening VNC connection. So what happens is I asked here in my Bitrise VS Code through Claude that create a VM. The VM goes through, the request comes to here, and it will create a new VM for just for me for an hour. For this test period, we run it for an hour, and then I can then run remote execs into it. By the way, we call the Mac Mini Farm mini orchards. I found it really funny. All right, so screen sharing started. Cool. This is basically a VM. Let's put it here. Let me clean this out. And now we have a VM. Perfect. So let's say open bitrise.io page in the VM. Let's see what it does. Let me resize this here so you can perfectly see. All right. So it is opening it. All right. So it has opened it. It will create a screenshot and done. Okay. So it verified it is done. It is done. Okay. Please quit Safari. I'm going to create a new session here and start running it for time. So clone, as I tried this once before and it worked. Let's see if it works again. Clone the firefox-ios project from GitHub, compile it, and run the app in a simulator on iOS 26 on iPhone 17. Heads up, this is a long build. Make sure to tail pull the build logs as this query may time out. So what I found is that this is a longer build, and while it is doing it, it can time out the connection to Claude, and then it will start panicking, quote unquote, that the build is not happening. Then let me kill it and let me restart. At the very first time when I tried, it actually figured out that the build is still running. I shouldn't have killed it. So let me restart it in a way that I can just pull the logs. It's quite intelligent. All right. In the meantime, open the activity monitor so we can see what is going on. Thank you. So again, this is a VM, but not just like a plain VM. It is a it did it. It is a VM that has all the tools installed, Xcode, simulators, etc. As we run a CI service, we run weekly updates to keep these virtual machines up to date, and gets constant security updates, tooling updates. The simulators, everything are already installed, and so that your builds are faster. So it is compiling now. Oh, it already pre-booted the simulator. Very smart, because the simulator can sometimes start really slow. So it will save us some time. All right, why it does that? Please list all the iOS and phone simulators that are installed on the VM. I had to add please. I don't know. You always want to be nice with AI. Oh, cool. Look at that. It's booted. The 17 is already booted. So these are all the iOS versions and then the simulators that are installed. It seems the build succeeded. It finished. It's not running anymore. Okay, let's see if it will execute this. Okay. Oh, simulator is starting. All right. Welcome to Firefox. Cool. Okay, let's see what it's doing now. Okay. Yeah, it made a screenshot to see if it had opened it. All right. Cool. Let's try something else. Open the Firefox app in an iPad sim and latest iOS version. All right, it started the simulator. What should we do? Let's go to. It's a little bit too small. I'm not sure if we can see it properly. Maybe the iPad Pro was a bad idea. Okay, let's try. Click through the welcome flow. Make Firefox the default browser in the default browser and open bitrise.io page. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I can make this bigger. Yeah, it doesn't make it bigger. Okay, so it clicked. There is the set as default browser. It selected it. Okay. Let me open Bitrise.io. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, it's loading. That's amazing. All right, cool. So let's do something. On the loaded Bitrise.io page, find the customer stories, customer stories. Click on them. Look into if they load correctly. Let's see. It's not in the screen right now. It's somewhere further down. So let's see what this does. Okay, let me scroll down to find the customer stories. Yeah, it already knew it's not on the page because it looked at what is on the page. All right. It is looking for it. Oh, it seems it found them. It found them. Let me click. Yeah, the first one is Shopify. Awesome. All right. Success. Page shows, title. All right. Oh, okay. It is still clicking something. Let me go back to test another customer story. That's amazing. I love the proactivity. Oh, if I was testing, I would be, oh, done. It loaded. Fine. Let me go to the next. No, the diligent AI is going and testing another one. All right. So while it is doing this, what should we do next? So let's create a macOS app using the Bitrise VM, build the following app there, and open it to see if it works. The app should be a simple macOS app with a click me button in the middle of the window. If I click the button, it should celebrate with a large fireworks if all over the window. If I click anywhere else, in the window, it should celebrate with a small fireworks. Put on a counter on the button how many fireworks I trigger in total and increment it. And let's go. It goes in parallel. So yes, another customer story is loaded. So that's great. So basically, let's go back to here. This app, it will create a macOS Swift UI with fireworks, build the app on the VM, open and test the app. Perfect. So I am on my laptop and running Visual Studio Code with Claude in it, with an MCP server. Actually, I'm not sure if I showed you this /MCP. I should have started with this. So this is the MCP server that I installed in here. There will be, of course, in the link how you can set this up, and then I'm talking through the system through that, and it's still doing it and scrolling and testing. That's amazing. Back to customers. Let me scroll to find the BuzzFeed. Actually, it will now test all of it. Let's just one more. Okay, it's not testing everyone, but randomly it chose. Let me test one more. I'm genuinely impressed. I can see Bloodfields. Let me click on it. That's amazing. And it loaded, of course. All right. In parallel, it is building the app on the VM. Uh-oh. I hope it will finish before. I hope the test will finish before the app is built and it opens, because this will really get confused. Why is it up with fireworks on my screenshot? Okay. Story loaded, story, Shopify, Conto, BuzzFeed, and yeah, conclusion, it works correctly on Firefox iPad app. There you go. Amazing. I'm genuinely amazed. Okay, cool. Let's see. Oh, it opened the app. Wow. I could not have timed this better. Okay. I will put my hands up and let's see if we make fireworks with Claude. Let's click. Okay, click me. Counter at 3. Oh, yes, it clicked it. Why is it so much fun? I don't understand. I genuinely don't understand why, but I love to see this. As a kid, I wanted to have a computer friend, and I never thought that I will have one, an AI that will click app that just built, which does firework. But isn't it amazing? I grew up with no computers as a kid, and now I'm watching an artificial intelligence building apps and clicking for fireworks. Life goals, right? Counter is now 3. Okay, 4. How many do you want to click it? I want to click it now. I want to click the fire. 5. But anyway, this is insane. I'm genuinely amazed. All right, but one more. Download this app, this fireworks app to my laptop and run it for me. Let's see if this works. I wanna click. I wanna make fireworks on my laptop. Oh, yep, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Yay! Small fireworks. Small, big. All right, I don't know what to do. What else? So look, if you see, obviously not fireworks apps, but if you see this architecture, these features fit in any way, or you look at something else, please give us a note. Join our Slack, bitrise.build/lab. That's where I'm going to leave the links and how you set this up. Also, probably this video and the Slack link. come and talk to us. Come and talk to me. I would love to know if this is an interest, if this would help you, which direction should we go forward with this. This is basically a code freeze experiment to have fun, and I genuinely see there is a view to it, like a use to it, but you can tell me much better and much higher accuracy what you would need. So thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and yeah, keep on nerding out. Cheers. Bye bye.